Hi everyone, it's Dawn from Dawn's Language Tutoring. Welcome to a new bilingual German and English vocabulary video. Our topic for this month is nature, die Natur. So as usual, I will say the English word first and then the German one. Okay, so let's start. Nature, die Natur. Pond, der Teich. Pond, der Teich. Grass, das Gras. Grass, das Gras. Waterfall, der Wasserfall. Waterfall, der Wasserfall. Lake, der See. Lake, der See. River, der Fluss. River, der Fluss. Stick, der Stock. Stick, der Stock. Stone, der Stein. Stone, der Stein. To hike, wandern. To hike, wandern. Flower, die Blume. Flower, die Blume. Tree, der Baum. Tree, der Baum. Leaf, das Blatt. Leaf, das Blatt. Mountain, der Berg. Mountain, der Berg. So as usual, you can download the whole set with flashcards, a memory game, a domino game, a bingo game, German and English worksheets on my website, dawnslanguagetutoring.com. Sign up for my newsletter and you will always get a discount code for the first few days of the month. I'll put a link in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. I hope you like this video. Have fun enjoying nature.